Screen visible to you?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we have done till field status variant step. Okay, now we will continue further.
Okay.
CRO, SAP reference IMG. So field financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, and then ledgers, then field. So we did this
Okay.
define field status variant and in assignment to
Yes, we did
field
that.
status. So let's check what field status variant which we have created F6 FB66. Okay, if you click on this, enter, go to position and enter our company code. What is our company code? ABR2, right?
RS is ABR2. Yes.
Yes, so it's assigned with it. Okay, so this step is completed till here. Now we will do the next
Yes.
step. Path is financial accounting, then financial accounting global settings, then go to document, then go to tolerance group. Okay, then go to define tolerance group for employees. T code is OBA4.
Okay.
So, what is a tolerance group? This is the tolerance group of which employee? So, when you post any document in your SAP system, you give any amount. So, this is the limit of amount what you give there. Okay, suppose you set here limit as 5 lakh and you do the document posting. You have posted with 10,000, 50,000, and then 60,000, then up to 5 lakh. Okay, then after that 5 lakh limit is completed, you want to post further. So, it's SAP will say that limit has exceeded. You will not able to post it further. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
you
Okay.
you
I
have to
understand.
come here
Understand.
and you have to extend the limit. Then you will able to post. So this are the amount of limit. So double click on it. Go to new entries. And please remember, don't put anything in this group. Okay. Keep the group blank. Always keep the group blank.
Okay. Only
Enter it.
company code.
Enter the company code which is ABR2 and you have to
Okay.
enter the amount per document. Maybe you can enter this 50 lakh. Okay, and same
Okay.
amount you have to enter down amount per open item document. Okay, so in company code you have to your company code, same amount in both places, press enter, currency will update automatically, then you save it. Okay, this is done.
Okay. But if we don't put any amount, so there's no limit,
Yes,
right?
so yes, then you
Okay.
will not be able to post any document. Okay,
Okay.
in SAP, which step I'm telling you, or which configuration we are doing is the compulsory configuration. Okay, so if you miss
Okay.
anything,
Okay. Okay.
forgot, then you will surely will get error in the future or while doing
Okay.
document.
Understand. Understand.
Okay, then go back and do the next step. So till document same path, then go to document number ranges, then go to define document number ranges. So document number range is very important thing in SAP. Okay, so it is critical, but it's very important. So T code is FBN1. So suppose when you post any document in your SAP system, it will always get posted in the document number ranges. Okay. And
Okay.
there are two types of document number ranges, internal and external. Okay, and when you post it, your document, it will always get posted in the internal document number ranges. Okay, so double click
Okay.
on this. Then you enter your company code, which is ABR2.
ABR2.
Then these are three things. This is interval. This is for display. This is only for display. This is to edit interval, change interval. You have to put here the numbering. This is for NR status. It means suppose you posted 5 document, 10 document, then it will show the status as 10. Okay, suppose you posted 50 document, it will show the status as 50. Okay, like this. Now you have to click on medium interval. Then you have to put number range is 01. See, we have the number range format is like this: 01, 02, 03, 04. If you give number range after 0, then you will put as 0102 like this. Okay. So this is a
Okay.
fixed format. Here, this 2026 and range, suppose I am giving this 1000 to 2000. So it does not mean that you have to give the same range. Okay. So you can give any range from
Okay.
100 to 200 also, maybe 10,000, suppose 50,000. It's your choice. As per your choice, you have to give
Understand,
any,
understand.
right? Okay, what range you will give, the document, your document will save in that number range. So this is the limit. So 1,000,
Okay,
2,000, 1,000 is the limit. Okay, so I have given, but you have to keep in mind only one thing: the number range are not overlapped. Okay, then control as
okay,
save. Now we'll do the next step. So now in financial accounting, you have to go to the general ledger accounting and then master data, then GL account, then preparation, then edit chart account list. Okay, so this is a very
okay,
important thing in SAP. Chart account is also the very important thing. So in simple language, chart account is the list of all GL account which you created. Okay, it's a list of all GL accounts, and there are three types of chart account: operative chart account, group chart account, and country specific chart account. There are three types of chart account, and the chart account which you are creating here is the operative chart account. Is the operative chart
okay,
account. T code for this is OB13. So double click on it. Same procedure. Go to inventories. You have to give any four digits code. Any alphabetic, alphanumeric, or numeric. Any number you can give, which should not be
okay.
repeated. If it is repeated, SQL will tell you, and you have to note down it for you. Suppose CO AM, if I am giving, it's, I think it's created by someone. Anything you can give.
Okay.
COA was creating the COAs. This is also maybe giving the numeric. Suppose CS 21. Okay, I'm giving this name CS21. Suppose so. Chart account for our company code. I'm giving the description. Any description you will give as per your convenience. So I am put the always put the name of the company code with the description, which is ABR2. Okay.
Okay,
So maintain language EN. It means English. So length of GL account number, maximum length of GL account number is 10. So you have to put within 10, not more than 10. But it's better if you put 4 or more than 4. So I'll put it 7. Okay, that's it. So chart account I'm creating CS21. That's with this description. Maintain language and length of GL account number same. Now you have to save this. So chart account is created
okay,
CS21. CS21.
okay.
Go back. Now next step, assign company code to chart account. Assign company code to chart account. So T code for this is OB62. Double click on it. So as I told you, if we assign anything with the company code, we need to click on position, right?
Position, yes. And
Yes.
then
Enter the
enter
company code
company code.
ABR2 and enter the chart account in front of this, which is CS21, right? So we
Yeah,
have
yes.
entered it and it is saved. Now we do the next step, define account. T code for this is OBD4. So double click on it. Then after click on this, it is opening. Now if data is locked, anytime in SAP is data is locked, you need to click on no.
SM12.
Yes, you go to
Yes,
SM12
SM12.
and delete username, delete number of lock, click on search button, select online please, you have to delete them. And again go back and go to the same place. So you need to double click on this and go to new entries. Okay. So this always created under chart account. Every time you have to create an account, we have to put the chart of account first of all. So
Okay.
CS20 is the chart account. Now how you will create? Now you will be understand what I am doing for this. Okay, suppose I'm
Hmm.
creating this for current assets. After this step, we will create under current assets. Okay. So current assets will
Okay.
ranges from 1,000 to 2,000. It means we will create current assets under 1,000 to 2,000. Same for here. You can give any range. It doesn't matter that you can give the same range. You can give any range as per your choice. Okay. And then next thing you
Okay.
have to give.
Mm.
Let's go back. We have to
No,
put it again because I
if
have clicked.
you want.
Yeah, I have clicked somewhere. Don't worry, we have to go again. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, then GL account. Okay, then preparation. So define account group.
Yes.
Go to new entries and we have to put chart account is CS21.
Yes, one.
CA 1000 to 2000. Then same chart account we are using. Now this time for current liabilities. Okay, so these account which we will require in the whole accounting. It doesn't mean you have to create the same. If you want that, you have to create any other new as per your understanding. You can do that.
Okay. Mm.
Direct income now.
Mm. Okay.
Direct income.
Okay.
Now purchases account. So you have created like this from if it's from 1000 2000, then after 2000 it comes 2001 come, then after 3000 3000 will
Okay.
come. So that's why I'm giving this in the serial number wise because it should not be overlap.
Okay.
So like this we will give. So we
Mm.
have given the current asset, current liability, direct expenses, direct income, purchases, sales, retained on fixed assets. Okay. So what is the retained earnings of or reserves and surplus? Do you have any idea?
Well, retained
What are
earnings,
retained earnings, or you can say reserves and surplus?
salaries, I think,
Yeah.
if I understand correct.
Could you please repeat?
Are those salaries
So
for
okay, I'll tell you. So retained earnings or reserve
employees?
surplus, yeah, it's a part of the profits which we retain for the future contingency or future emergencies. Okay. So it's a
Yeah.
part of the profit which we retain for the future, for any future contingency emergency, and its balance carry forward in the next fiscal year where it's not used. And this is that amount which we couldn't pass to our shareholders. We retain it. Okay.
Okay.
Now enter and save this. So it's created and go back now for this step will do refine retaining earnings account OB53 is the T code. So what we will do in it will always ask you chart account. So enter your chart account. Then there are only two fields in it. This we have to enter in shortcut retained earnings or reserve sub. In this we have to enter the last amount of retained earnings. Okay, I will take you the previous step with the T code OBD4. OBD4 same. Now again data is logged, so we go to SM12, delete username, delete number lock, click on search button
Mhm.
and, select it all entries. Now we go to the OBD4 and
Four.
put the chart account. So because this account group opened with the chart account, because this written under the chart account. So range of retained earnings is 9,001 to 10,000. Okay, last range is 10,000. Okay, mine last range is 10,000. So you have to enter in the last range of retained earnings. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to put the same range. So in what is your last range? You will give that range. Okay, because mine last range is 10,000. Okay, suppose maybe your range is different, so you can give it different
No,
range
no,
as per.
no, no. Your
Okay.
last, sorry, but your last range is 11,000. You have fixed asset from 10,001 to
No,
11.
no. We have to give the last range of retained earnings.
Okay,
Retained
okay,
earnings last
okay,
range
okay,
is
okay,
10,000.
okay, okay. I
Yeah.
understand. Okay,
So it doesn't necessary that your last range is same. You maybe you give the a different number range when you create company, right? So you
okay.
have to
I
give the
can I
last
can
range.
put from. Okay, I
Yeah.
understand.
So now I will give 10,000 because mine is 10,000. Now after this you have to enter twice. You have to enter twice, then save this. I control it. Okay. Enter twice, then save.
Okay,
Now go back to this step is also completed. Now you have to do another step up to general data and master data same path. Then you have to go to GL account creation and processing. Then edit GL account individual processing. Then edit GL account centrally. Okay, so this is a GL master data, which is very important and common step. This we will create GL account in every topic. Okay, we also call it a GL
okay,
master data. T code is FS00, which is very important and common T code. And T code is FS00, right? Double click on this. So first of all, when you come here, you have to check that it's your company code is showing or not. Okay, because we have to create in our company code, not others. And in this, our company code is not showing, right? So we have to change our company code. How? Company code
okay,
is this showing. Go to this option, which is create option. You have to enter the 1,000 because we have to create in the current asset. Current asset ranges from 1,000 to 2,000. Enter company code, which is ABR,
ABR2.
right? ABR2. Then again, you need to refresh it. Okay, slash and FS00. Once you need to refresh this, then your company code will
Okay,
show. Okay. Now we will create under current assets, and current assets ranges from 1,000. I have remembered this. If you don't remember, you can open this OBD4 and check. See, current asset ranges from 1,000 to 2,000. That's why I will create under 1,000. Now click on this, enter 1,000. Company was already written. As you click on this green tick, this see right side is activated automatically. Okay, now current assets come on the balance sheet. So select balance sheet. These are all standard five. Okay, predefined under drop down list. You have to select only from these. In account group, see these are
okay,
the account we just created. See, we just created
okay.
in previous step these account groups, right?
Yes, yes, I see.
So these are
See,
showing. No,
this
current
is a
assets.
current asset.
Yeah,
Yes,
current assets.
or tax.
So what are the current assets? Do you have any idea what are the current assets?
Our main buildings, machines.
No, no, these are the fixed assets.
Oh,
Current
yeah, fixed asset. Current assets.
current assets is cash account, bank account. Okay, these are the current assets. So
Okay,
put cash account, go to control data, click on balance in local currency, sort key 001. So you have to put same as I am putting. I'm going
okay,
on
okay,
this
okay.
step. Same steps you have to go. So there are so many entries here, predefined standard, but you have to put here 001 standard, okay, which is as per the posting date always. If I say if you have to create as per normal setting,
No,
build status group G001, okay. So you have to put G001 always for normal settings, then save. Control S. As you save, see under current asset showing as cash account, okay. In left side, it will
okay,
automatically reflect. If you close this, it can close. Okay, it's not showing. Then if you click on this, it's showing as current. Now we'll create another GL count with the same settings, the same normal settings.
okay,
No change. Now we'll create bank account. The same settings as I explained.
GL1, okay,
Now
exactly the
we have
same.
to create under direct expenses. We have to create
Cash
two
and
GL
bank.
account. Yeah, under current asset now we have to create under direct expenses range of direct expenses from 3001. I remember this, but if I don't remember, you can go here and check here. So this is the direct expense range from 3001 to 4000. So now I will create some direct
Okay,
expenses, which are the 3001. So we have to select the non-operating expense income. GL account type, direct expenses select. Now,
okay.
we'll create a direct expense. So, do you have any idea what are the direct expenses?
No, like expenses to when we operate with our goods or products, like how to say,
Okay, so direct expenses are,
expenses that
yeah,
that
yeah.
that put the okay. Um,
Okay, okay, I'm telling you. So, expenses are
okay,
wages, freight or carriage inward, coal and gas, power and fuel, right? These are the direct expenses. So, we will create these,
okay,
which come in the debit side of trading account. Okay, when we create trading account, so it comes in the debit side of trading account. These are the direct expenses with the same normal settings we have. Okay. And these are this we have created. Now, second we will create freight inward or carriage inward. Freight inward or inward or same thing. You can write freight as well as carriage. Freight inward. Now next we'll create
okay.
coal and gas. Power and fuel.
Okay.
These all are the direct expenses. Whose cartridge you can prepare. The same normal settings. Now you have to, yeah, code duty. Okay, like this we have to wait. Now next, factory end you can create. So we have created 7 direct expenses, wages to factory rent. So when after creating, if you want to make any changes, you can also change this. If you click on wages, so you have to click on that expense which you want to make changes. Select this and click on this edit option. Okay, edit, or you can change same
Okay.
thing. Click on this. Now it will come in the editable mode. Okay. Now you can make changes.
Yeah.
If you want to add or if you want to remove this anything in this from GL account. Okay, so you can do that. Or this, if you don't
Okay.
make any changes or in controller, it will tell you no changes were carried out like this. And this is for only display. This is for display. If you want to click on this, so this is for only display mode, right? And this is the
Just to re
create, and this is for search.
creation.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now, please join the second meeting. Then we will continue. Okay.
Okay.